Happy Friday everyone, we've just been for a blast out on this Ducati Scrambler. This is the 2017 Roland Sands design one. Chances are you've probably never seen one in this colour. This was the first bike that I ever bought. I still love it to absolute bits, and we've had a right blaster on the hills, first time this year actually. So if you do want to check it out, what we've been up to and where we've been around MMO Mass and everything, check out my YouTube. It's the same title as this, Top Boy Johnny. It's in the description as well. But we have had an absolutely fantastic time. We've blown away the cobwebs, our mental health has massively improved, and you know, we're just living the dream at the moment. So happy Friday, have a great weekend, look after yourselves.